Hello guys! The previous video shared with you how the flexible board is manufactured. Also shared the manufacturing process of rigid boards. So how is the combination of rigid and flexible board is manufactured? First, use 2 minutes to review the manufacturing process of flexible boards. Materials: cutting, drilling, VCP, plating copper, exposure, development, etching, coverlay, lamination, silk screen, testing, laser routing, automatic reinforcement, appearance inspection. So how do flex and rigid boards fit together? Again, it goes through the pressing step. All materials to be laminated are placed in order to complete the press. Just like in the picture. Here's a point to remind you. In the design of the board layer to be symmetrical, avoid board bending, cracking, and other situations. And the intersection of hard and soft is necessary to do flexible dispensing. Can play a cushioning effect to protect the flex board will not be damaged by the sharp corners of the rigid board. Let's continue. This is an automatic targeting machine which can help us hit the positioning holes. After that, it is necessary to go through PTH so that the through hole can be normal conduction. After a few steps, and rigid boards manufacturing is the same. Etching, automated optical inspection, slaughter mask, silk screen. This step in the routing will have some different. Routing, also known as open cover plate, is the area where the soft board is located, in the area where the hard board is not needed for laser cutting, so that the soft board is exposed. You can see it in the video. These pale yellow ones are going to be peeled off. Next, we need to do reliability testing. Ensure that it is fully functional and there is no delamination, blistering, bursting board, and so on. After using the automatic appearance inspection machine, it is also necessary to conduct a manual eye inspection. Packaging: we will also use vacuum packaging to avoid breakage. About the rigid flex PCBs sharing is these. Welcome to leave a message in the comments section about next video content.